This week when I was planning the trip, I discovered that there was a cache and it's number 10,000 put out in Denmark. So let's go find it. I'm almost here. So let's see. There's a sign here and I'm gonna look for it. Found it! Let's sign it. I'm out bushwalking for the next one. See, I have no clue where I'm going. What is that?
It's a big bear trap.
A bear trap! Oh my goodness! We have no bears in Denmark, but mice, maybe? Big mouse! Well, I'm standing right beside the cache. See if we can find it. Maybe it's here. Oh yes. Oh my goodness, it's frozen. So let's see what's in it. Oh, not a pretty sight. I was thinking about putting my travel bug in here I found the other day, but that's not gonna happen. Let's sign the log. I bought this for a Christmas present for myself, so now I can use it. Yay! We are approaching a lake and there's a geocache here somewhere, so let's find it. I found another lake. So, one leg here, and one leg here. This one's frozen. This one's not. I think I found it. Yes! Whoa, my arms under the shoulder. Bingo! Look what's in here. I'm going to trade it with another TB. Look. I think it's called Fatima's Hand. I got one of these when I was in Tunisia as a kid. So, let's see what else is in here. Ah, bugs! A lot of bugs. Ew. Cockroach, I think. I don't know what this is. Remember this guy? I found it the other day. I'm gonna put it in here. Next, down here. Look, look, look. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. So I come closer to the water, and here comes the tricky part. I think. Whoop! Down here is a container. Yeah. Now I just have to get up again. Here I found the cache, a new one, and look here, look, 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 boom, in the tree, a little nano. I don't find many of these, but let's try to find out. Walking in somebody else's footsteps. Boom, boom, boom. And where are we going? I wonder. Okay. I found it. Let's sign it. Den er godt nok krøllet sammen, hva'? Fremad! Har været lidt fugtigt. 5.10. Timebitte. Well, I met a cranky old man, and he's right here. We became friends. Look. Found it. Now I just gotta reach it. Boom. Yeah, oh, it's stuck. God. Whoa! Like a rocket. It's down there. I'm gonna get it. You won't believe it, but I'm actually standing in the middle of the Sahara. Not the desert, but Sahara in my little island. So, and I think we got it. Yes, yes, yes. We found it. Oh, in here. Boom. Let's sign the lock and call it for the day. Hi, I'm back home now after a long geocaching trip. If you hear a person in the video laughing, it's just my good friend Tanya, who's a muggle, soon to be a geocacher. She's with me out for the second time, but she doesn't like to be filmed, so I had to respect that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and see you soon. Bye.